Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with Dan's coin review and valuations, and in this video we are definitely going pre-decimal with this 1821 quarter D, which is a farthing coin. As always with the coin reviews, we'll start off with the design on the coin, move on to those mintage figures, exactly how many was released for circulation, and then we'll finish off with the true value of the coin in perfect condition and also in circulated qualities. Unfortunately, first of all though, with this coin, it does look like somebody has tried to clean it. Definitely do not do that unless you want to see your coin deplete in value. On the right hand side, the portrait of King George IV, bearing left, George V on the left hand side, and we've got some lettering which stands for "By the Grace of God" on the right. On the left hand side we have got the seated Britannia, trident in left hand, bearing the shield with the Union flag in the right. Britannia in lettering on the left hand side, and around the top it stands for King Defender of the Faith. Again, 1821, the year of issue at the bottom. Again, if you would like to see your own coin featured on the channel, please do let me know. Please do email me any pictures, but try and do keep those pictures clean, just so the quality of the video is good for everybody watching. Now, the mintage figures of the coin are on the screen now, 2,688,000. A super low mintage figure indeed, but definitely a high one for the times, as again, this coin is just over 200 years young. For the value, perfect uncirculated will reach around the £150 mark, which really is incredible. Very rare to come by. Really nice quality coins, £75 to £80, and unfortunately, a clean coin that we see on the screen here, we are looking £5 to £8 for it. It would have actually probably been around the £25 mark if it wasn't cleaned, so definitely do be careful when it comes down to cleaning those old coins. Any questions or queries, or if you'd like to see your coin featured in a review video, please do comment it below. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.